Hi! In front of me is INFINIX Hot 20i, and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions on this device. First of all, go into Settings. Now scroll down and choose Privacy. Over here, you need to click on Permission Manager and select one of your device's features, like microphone. Then select one of your apps, in my case Chrome, and tap on the best option for you. Allow only while using the app, ask every time, or don't allow. In my case, allow only while using. So now when I go back, as you can see, Chrome just gained access to my device's microphone if I'm using it. But you can always go back, pick any feature and look for an app that you wish to manage. I will go with location to manage my browser. Over here you need to scroll all the way down and tap on See All High Browser Permissions. Finally, manage all of them for this app from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!